Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, please remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, I'll be defining another one of the simple words that is used on a daily basis. Let's get right into it. I can relate. How many times have you said that phrase in your conversations? What is your understanding of the word relate? Before I give you the definition, comment down below your understanding of the word relate and an estimate of how many times you have said the short phrase in your conversations. Relate simply means to find or show the connection between two or more things. For example, the point I'm making now relates to what I said before. Another example is, high unemployment is related to high crime rates. Relate also means to tell a story or describe a series of events. For example, in this article, the author relates what it felt like to return to school at the age of 40. Another example is, she related the story over dinner. Relate, on the other hand, also means being able to understand a situation or someone's feeling because you have experienced something similar yourself. For example, I often wake very early. I'm sure most business people can relate. Another example is, teenagers related to him because he was so rebellious. I hope you have now understood the meaning and can apply it with confidence in your daily conversations. That's all guys for this episode. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.